Hey everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step on how to buy Safemoon on Coinbase. So keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to buy Safemoon for Coinbase, first, make sure that you've signed up for a Coinbase account. Now simply tap Open Coinbase app once you are done with the sign-up process, and once you are logged into your Coinbase account, if you go ahead and try to choose Safemoon from the app itself, you won't be able to find any option from the assets list that says Safemoon. So in order to buy Safemoon, you'll need to go and tap Open your web browser. In my case I'm going to open up my Safari and now simply type in CoinMarketCap.com and make a search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this age of CoinMarketCap, which looks like this. Go to the search button in the upper right-hand corner, and give it a tap. Now in the search bar, search for Safemoon by typing it in from the list of the crypto assets displayed right beneath. Select Safemoon, and once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. The current price for Safemoon will be displayed at the very top if you go all the way down and tap on the market option. Right next to Overview, you'll be able to see a complete list of places you can purchase the phone, as well as the currencies we can use to obtain that. You will be able to see two tabs right here, Scores and Pairs, right under Pairs. You will see the shorthand for Safemoon. It will be displayed like this. As you can see on the interface, you will be able to see Safemoon or with a second currency displayed right next to it. If you'd like to produce Safemoon with a USDT, then you can tap on Safemoon's last USDT. If you want to purchase the phone with WBNB, you can tap on Safemoon/WebNB, and this will take you to a new page here in this page. If you do have to purchase Safe Money with another crypto, you need to first create a crypto wallet that supports Safemoon. Then you can buy the first currency and use it to buy Safemoon on the platform you chose. Make sure to log into your crypto wallet and enter the amount of Safemoon that you'd like to buy right under limit order, and that way you'll be able to buy Safemoon on Coinbase quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.